Good day everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create inventory movement types. Let's focus on the steps to ensure that this is implemented properly and effectively. Before we begin discussing how to create inventory movement types, let's talk about the purpose of this. The purpose of this is to track changes in inventory accurately. They categorize different actions affecting inventory, like receiving goods, transferring items, or adjusting quantities due to damages. These types help in managing inventory by analyzing trends and optimizing strategies. So first, you accessing back office. So you go into the back office. So we're already here in back office. So you can log in your username and your password. So you can type your username and your password. So click this login and go to the items inventory. Then click this inventory movement types. So we're already here in inventory movement types. So I will discuss what is this all about. Is this all the it's all about the reason of the cost for the customer, meaning they have option of description like adjustment, food delivery, return from customer delivery, return from borrow, branch transfer, and bad order. And you can click this update button if there are any changes or additions made to the description. And this part description, and you can add descriptions of reasons for the customer. For example, damage damage goods. This this movement type is used to record inventory items that have been identified as damaged, defective, or unsellable. So we have a description now. So right now you can add new. So click this add new. As you can see, the added description has been appeared. So we have a new movement type. So this damaged goods. So this is the process on how to create inventory movement types.